Hi. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 forklift training accrediting bodies in the UK. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Road Transport Industry Training Board, RTIP. Founded in 2004, RTIP offers accreditation, auditing, and assessment to ensure workplaces continue to follow the standards required to maintain their accreditation. RTIP is one of the leading standards UK forklift training accrediting bodies due to its goal of improving workplace safety. Independent Training Standards Scheme and Register, ITSAR. ITSAR was established in the early 90s and was part of founding the Accrediting Bodies Association, Workplace Transport, ABA, in 2012. They promote the highest quality of training through an accreditation scheme that spans the globe, aiming to reduce workplace accidents by independently verifying that all accredited training meets and exceeds expectations laid out in the approved Code of Practice, ACO PL 117. The training and accreditation provided by ITSAR fall into 5 categories. Category 1, Registered Instructor. Category 2, Operator Training Organization Accredited. Category 3, Instructor and Operator Training Organization Accredited. Category 4, Registered Tutor. Category 9, Management and Supervisors. 3. Construction Industry Training Board, CITB. CITB was founded in 1964 after the establishment of the Industrial Training Act to provide a safer, better trained, and professional construction industry, making it one of the oldest lift trucks training accrediting bodies in the UK. The Department of Education sponsors them today, and they answer directly to Parliament. They offer training in more than 40 locations, making them one of the most widespread lift trucks training accrediting bodies in the UK. CITB is moving away from direct training in the coming years. They still provide qualification checks, connect individuals seeking apprenticeships with companies, and approved training organizations. Organizations can apply to become approved training organizations to offer assured products, training programs that meet CITB expectations, CITB products, and recognized products. 4. Lantra National Training Organization. Lantra has been one of the leading lift trucks training accrediting bodies in the UK for over 40 years. It positions itself as the only awarding organization that can lead you from entry-level training right through to expert user qualification. Industry experts develop their training courses to provide the most thorough, accurate training. Their courses all work at your own pace so that you can pursue your training on your own time. Lantra also has Welsh and Scottish programs available. 5. National Plant Operators Registration Scheme, PORS. The list of UK forklift training accrediting bodies would be incomplete without discussing PORS, which has been operating since 1992. The organization prides itself on its principles, including regulating training and testing for the safety of workers operating heavy machinery, industry support, and transparency. They offer flexible forklift training options, like training staff on site instead of training centers so employees can train on the equipment they'll be working with every day. To ensure compliance, its accredited training partners are regularly audited to ensure the highest quality offerings and standards. So, to wrap up, these are the top 5 forklift training accrediting bodies in the UK. If you are looking for a more comprehensive review, do have a look at our detailed article Top 5 Forklift Training Accrediting Bodies in the UK. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, from the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, Do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog, see links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.